Hey guys, AFT Plumbing here, and today I got my 1960 standard Cadet right here, flushing on a garden hose pressure, but yeah. Here's the flush. It's not powerful, but here's what it would be like on a garden hose with 60 PSI. Yeah, it's pretty interesting, but yeah, this is the power force, of course, because, you know, it's only like, really just 60 PSI I meant. I'm gonna plug the jet, and it actually is pretty powerful out of the rim. Actually, it's very powerful out of the rim just a bit, but yeah, here we go. But yeah, you can see it's very, very swirly, of course. And it's siphoning out. Jet. And just goes back to the VCU. But yeah, that's pretty much it, really. I'm not gonna flush anything down. Dude, you know, this is just like that because I don't have all my bricks I have are being used as a toilet platform, so I just dug a little hole under there so water can drain out. But yeah, here's what we're flushing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And see ya in the next video.